Gonna put the iron on here and just let it cook. To replug it, but I'm just going to let it steam and just to soften up as much of that glue as possible. So I am just trying to pick out as much of this old glue. You can see it stretching there, but it's very soft now. So the steam has definitely helped. Okay, so I'm reaching underneath and I'm pulling out plugs like that. They may or may not have wood, but I'm cleaning out the dovetail, the bird butts, the bottom, the flat parts. So yeah, this is doing the job so far. Just one word about it. This is a punch awl. It's for just poking holes. It's got this little point, but it's very strong. It's a solid piece of steel, and it's got just a sharp point. And so what's nice about it is you can go in there and bend it. You don't have to worry about it snapping or breaking, or it won't have too much give. So it's doing pretty well with wrestling off. You can see there's part of the inside dresser, but is what it is at this point. I might actually set this with quick wood, or maybe I'll just put in a filler, but there's going to be some gaps in there, so I don't know if it's worth trying to put these little pieces back into position, or just kind of use my filling ability versus trying to just repair putting back together a puzzle. Okay, at some point you might have to get a paring knife out and kind of slice down along the edges just to free up the glue to be pulled out. It sounded good and bad at the same time there. So yeah, so basically you have to kind of cut back the glue. It'll soften up and it'll peel. It's just it's tough to get a pliers or something in there that's strong enough and yet can fit in this tight space. And so we have a little paring knife that sadly gets recruited to do some pretty weird jobs around the house where we need kind of a small blade that can fit into a small area. As you can see, the glue is getting cleared. Okay, probably last thing is in the pocket down here. Oops. In the pocket here, I'm gonna run a drill bit through so I can clean it out and make sure that there's room for this to actually go down. It hasn't been filled up with glue. Fit. I'm a little concerned that they did some dumb move on the board here to try to hold it together. I think they glued this in. I think I can feel it. So I'm going to steam this. I'm going to loosen up this the bottom of the drawer here and make sure that this can move, because right now I think it's actually holding it up too much and keeping it out of the joint. So that will be the last fix. So you can see that kind of caramel looking stuff. That's the glue that they smeared in here, thinking this would hold the dresser together, but actually kept this from connecting properly. So I'm just going to put my towel on here and steam this whole thing and scrape it loose. It's dumb beyond words, but that's why I'm the flipping idiot. Having steamed it, I'm using my trusty Baco baby scraper. I mean, not for scraping babies, it's a small scraper. I'm just trying to dig out the glue bond. You know, the way they did the glue makes me think that maybe they just pushed it in with their finger and they didn't actually. So I'm using the global thermonuclear option. I'm trying to free up this drawer panel so that this will tuck into the side enough to where I'll be able to bring this closer to actually set that dovetail joint. But somebody actually didn't line up the dovetail joint and then glued every part of the bottom of this thing. So we'll see if I can make it happen. Oh, success! Woo! Sacre bleu! So now I should be able to adjust it enough to squish it all together. So that was a win for the good guys. Okay, so if you want to know what's going on inside my brain, I will mention put a cloth down there to catch water and stains and dripping from above. You know, a lot of people don't. I've seen people refinish something where they lay the drawer. So this side is up, and then they end up with drip marks. And I've done it with like the stripper going through the holes. So I am going to put my cloth down on here. You can see the adhesive in there. I'm going to put this on here, and I'm going to take my iron after I put some water on it. I'm going to charge the cloth, charge the towel. Enjoy the drink, and then I'm just going to put the iron on here and just let it steam like crazy. So I steamed the glue on the other side of the door, and as you see, it's pretty flexible now. So I just have to take my pick here and a knife and dig it out.